Hi, I'm Luann from Healthy Home Cooking, and today we get to open a banana variety box from Miami Fruit. So here we go. This is the small variety box, and I got it as a present. We got a regular variety box, more scissors, before, and we love that, and we can't wait to try all the different bananas. So here we go. So they always give you these little stickers. I'm not sure what you're supposed to do with them, but there you go anyway, and a thanks, and please connect with us. And here we go. We got some packaging, which is a lot more eco-friendly than the last time that we opened a box. They had styrofoam webbing things that they put the fruit in, and I know they were trying to develop some more eco-friendly, and they certainly did. Wow. We got bananas. Now, I watched a video on their site, and I'm going to take a wild guess that these bananas, let me look at my cheat sheet here. I think these are called the miso, or the apple bananas, because they don't look small enough to be the patoka or the fig banana. And I hope we like them because it looks like we got a lot of them. So let me dig down and see what else we got. And just because they're these brown collars doesn't mean that it's rotten. You're supposed to kind of gently push on the banana, and if it feels soft, it's ready to go. So I can't wait for these to soften up. I think they're going to require another day or two of ripening. And I think this is all the same. Oh, here's one. That's a little riper. He might be a first one. I think this is a different kind. Let me look at my cheat sheet again here. I'm gonna take a wild guess, but I certainly could be wrong, that these are the Brazilian bananas. They're definitely different. Well, yeah, they're a different shape. So I'm gonna say it's a different banana, but I could be wrong because I don't know. Oh, here's a teeny tiny one. I didn't see these in the video, so maybe the little canoe banana. I don't know. And one more of the big ones. And it doesn't look like we're going to be lucky enough to get the praying hands. You might need a bigger box or a different season to get the praying hand bananas. Oh, here's a really tiny one, not this one. And that's ready to go. So we might have to have a taste test. And since I'm opening the box, I get to taste. Oh, there's some underneath here. Oh, these are a little bigger. Maybe these are the gold fingers. Maybe not, because they're a little fatter than the ones that I saw in the video. Maybe this one. Maybe it was just a good growing season, I don't know. There's another one, and I think we have two more. And that's it. If you're wondering, like I am, what's all in this packaging, it's like a tissue paper, and then this is like a straw-like substance. It's all supposed to be biodegradable or compostable and recyclable. So go figure. Now, see if I can open this guy. Oh boy, I can't wait. My dream is to go to Miami and find this farm and bring a huge box of fruit back. I want to try every kind they grow. I know that's a big dream. It's the best banana I've had. If I want to stay married, I better give this other bite to my husband. Well, until next time, this is Luann from Healthy Home Cooking. Thank you for watching me unbox the small variety banana box from Miami Fruit today. Please like, comment, subscribe, and ring that bell. Until next time, be healthy and keep on cooking.